Welcome to Binary Options channel. What is Bitcoin Up? Bitcoin Up is an automated technology powered by artificial intelligence to extract and analyze data from the cryptocurrency market. This technology also uses natural language processing to read Bitcoin-related news and derive valuable information from them. Bitcoin Up is 0.01 seconds ahead of the markets, which should give investors a competitive edge. Bitcoin Up is fairly new on the markets, but some reports have suggested that it is one of the most effective technologies on the market today. With the COVID-19 pandemic affecting economies worldwide, there is no better time to trade than today. There have been reports that the Bitcoin price will hit $100,000 at the end of 2020, as the USD continues to lose appeal as the global safe haven asset for the digital currency group. This may be the window of opportunity every investor has waited for. Is Bitcoin Up legit? There are positive signs indicating that Bitcoin Up is a trustworthy platform. Firstly, the platform is affiliated with the world's leading regulated brokers. Secondly, before you trade with real money, the platform allows you to trade in demo mode using real market conditions and fake money, so you get used to the platform and the markets before trading with real money. And lastly, you are only required to deposit $250. This $250 is what you will use when you are ready to trade for real after practicing on the demo account. Please note that all investment carries risks, whether it's the stock market or any other market. Bitcoin Up is a tool to make it easier for everyone to trade easily while minimizing risk. However, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and it is the investor's responsibility to do as much research as possible to gain as much understanding as possible. Creating an account with Bitcoin Up. Opening an account with Bitcoin Up is fairly easy. Simply follow the steps below. Registration. To register, start by creating a free account through the form below. After successful registration, you will be assigned a personal broker to walk you through the account verification and setup process. Make a deposit. Bitcoin Up requires a minimum deposit of $250 to activate live trades. Deposits are secure and straightforward. All a new investor needs to do is click on the deposit button and choose their preferred method. A deposit can be made with a debit, credit card, wire transfers, e-wallets or Bitcoin. Deposits are processed instantly and there are no deposit fees required. The technology relies on regulated brokers to handle deposits. These brokers are responsible for ensuring that all deposits are safe and secure. Demo trading. After a new investor has made the initial deposit, they will have access to the demo trading feature or trading guide. This guide provides the investor with a practice run on the platform, at no additional cost. We recommend that every new investor make use of the demo trading feature before live trading commences. It will assist the investor in gaining the necessary experience and knowledge before placing trades. Live trade. Once the new investor is comfortable with the demo trading experience, they will now be able to move on to live trading. All the investor needs to do is adjust the risk settings as instructed and click the live button. The technology conducts trades automatically. This means that you do not require any expertise to use it. However, we recommend that new and experienced investors spend at least 30 minutes on their accounts every day. How does Bitcoin Up work? Bitcoin Up uses artificial intelligence to power its technology. The technology uses a subset of artificial intelligence known as machine learning to extract and analyze insights from the market and related news, then presents the investor with the most profitable trades. Bitcoin Up only works with regulated brokers. The majority of its brokers are monitored by the UK FCA and Australia's ASIC. The technology is open to everyone, including new investors who have little to no trading experience. Most users have noted that they have no prior background in Bitcoin or any other related cryptocurrency exchanges. The platform is simple to use, and the trading process is straightforward. Bitcoin Up also applies blockchain technology to make sure that the trading environment is transparent. It is reported that the Bitcoin Up technology has had a return investment of up to 300%. If this information is accurate, it is possible to make up to 3 times the original capital invested in less than a week of trading. Bitcoin Up trading tips. The Bitcoin Up technology may be powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, but we have curated some useful tips to help you along your trading journey. Start small. We recommend using the initial deposit to place the first trade. New users can always deposit more capital after they receive their first return on their investment. Trade for at least 8 hours a day. Make sure your account is live trading for at least 8 hours a day. The technology does most of the work by itself, so trading will not interfere with an investor's day-to-day responsibilities. Trade in US time. The best time to trade on the cryptocurrency market is when it is daytime in New York. This is because Bitcoin tends to be highly volatile at this time. Invest 80% of profit again. Reinvesting profits allows you to take advantage of the magic of compounding. Advantages of trading with Bitcoin Up. There are many benefits that come with trading on Bitcoin Up. This includes high profitability and an easy-to-use platform that is simple for investors to navigate. Most investors who have reviewed the technology have not had any prior trading experience. Traditional cryptocurrency trading can be complex and time-consuming, especially for inexperienced traders. Bitcoin Up provides new investors a convenient and supposedly profitable way of trading Bitcoin. Withdrawals are simple and quick. Once a withdrawal is processed, it takes no more than 48 hours for funds to reflect on the account. The technology also regards the investor's safety and security as a top priority. If an investor encounters any problems, they can contact the customer care helpline that is available 24/7. Has Bitcoin Up been featured in the media? There have been many reports claiming that Bitcoin Up has been featured on popular TV shows such as The Simpsons, Silicon Valley and The Good Wife. We decided to investigate these claims to find out whether they are true or false. Has The Simpsons endorsed Bitcoin Up on an episode? The Simpsons is an American animated sitcom created by Matt Groening for the Fox Broadcasting Company. The Simpsons is a satiric adventure of a working-class family in the misfit city of Springfield. There have been reports that The Simpsons endorsed Bitcoin Up on one of their episodes, however these claims are false. Has Silicon Valley mentioned Bitcoin Up on an episode? Silicon Valley is an American comedy television series created by Mike Judge, John Altshuler and Dave Krinsky. It premiered on HBO on April 6, 2014, running for a total of 6 seasons of 53 episodes. The series finale aired on December 8, 2019. Silicon Valley has made no mention of Bitcoin Up in any of their episodes. Has Bitcoin Up been featured on The Good Wife? The Good Wife is a serialized show featuring several story arcs that play out over multiple episodes, as well as standalone storylines that are concluded by the end of each episode. There have been reports that The Good Wife has featured Bitcoin Up on an episode. However, we can confirm that these claims are false. Has Bitcoin Up been endorsed by celebrities? There have been claims that Bitcoin Up has been endorsed by international celebrities. We decided to investigate each case where a celebrity has been linked to Bitcoin Up or any other crypto trading application. Does Gordon Ramsay support Bitcoin Up? Gordon Ramsay is one of the most famous chefs in the world. The multi-Michelin-starred British chef, restaurateur, writer and television personality has a huge brand, so his endorsement would give any product credibility. We scoured the net and YouTube to find out if he has endorsed Bitcoin Up. Unfortunately, we did not find anything. So the rumors are false. Does Peter Jones endorse Bitcoin Up? Peter Jones is a British businessman and reality TV star on the popular investment show Dragon's Den and American TV show American Inventor. He has an estimated net worth close to $500 million, therefore if someone of his financial standing endorses an investment product, many people would also invest in it. We looked for incidents that Peter Jones has endorsed Bitcoin Up, however we did not find anything. Does Elon Musk endorse Bitcoin Up? Elon Musk is the eccentric billionaire with 3 nationalities: South African, Canadian and American. He is the man behind Tesla and SpaceX. Tweets from Elon Musk affect the stock market. If he were to endorse Bitcoin Up, it would be all over the news and the Bitcoin Up website would crash. We searched the internet for any valid evidence that Elon Musk endorsed Bitcoin Up. Again, we were unable to verify those claims. Does Trevor Noah recommend Bitcoin Up? Trevor Noah is a South African comedian, political commentator, actor and the host of the popular American talk show, The Daily Show. There have been rumors that Trevor Noah uses Bitcoin up due to ads circulating around the internet about Trevor getting rich because of Bitcoin. It is public knowledge that Trevor Noah's source of wealth is his contract with The Daily Show and his comedy tours. Whether Trevor Noah invests in Bitcoin or not is not public knowledge. It cannot be confirmed that he uses Bitcoin up. Does Kate Winslet use Bitcoin up? Kate Winslet is a famous British actress known for her work on Titanic and period dramas. There has been a rise of searches from people wondering if Kate Winslet supports any advanced cryptocurrency trading platform. We have investigated and found no evidence of Kate Winslet endorsing any trading platform. Holly Willoughby and Bitcoin up? Holly Marie Willoughby is a British author, model and TV presenter on This Morning and Dancing on Ice. Like the other celebrities on this list, there have been claims that she supports advanced crypto trading application, but there is no evidence to support this. Does Patrice Motsepe use Bitcoin up? Patrice Motsepe is one of the richest South Africans, with a net worth of over $1.6 billion. He made his wealth from his mining interests. He is the founder and executive chairman of African Rainbow Minerals, which has interests in gold, ferrous metals, base metals, and platinum. He has made his money from traditional business. We found no evidence of his involvement in Bitcoin or Bitcoin up. Does Aliko Dangote use Bitcoin up? Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian billionaire and the richest man in Africa, valued at over $8.5 billion. He is the founder and chairman of industrial conglomerate Dangote Group. Being the richest man in Africa makes him famous. This makes people want to associate products with him, especially if the products have something to do with making money. If the richest man in Africa invests in Bitcoin, then other Africans would want to invest in Bitcoin as well in the hopes of accumulating a fraction of his net worth. Unfortunately, there is no evidence out there to suggest Aliko Dangote uses Bitcoin up or whether or not he invests in Bitcoin. Even though none of the celebrity endorsement have checked out, it's important to note that none of the claims were actually made by the creators of Bitcoin up. It is affiliate marketers who use the celebrity names as clickbait. The Bitcoin up system delivers on what it says it can do. What celebrities actually say about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the best performing asset class in the last decade. With those kinds of results, it has attracted the attention of millionaires in the form of celebrities and business people. It is literally changing how we view and use money. Here is what famous have to say about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. 1. There are 3 eras of currency: commodity-based, politically based, and now, math-based. Chris Dixon, co-founder of Hunch, now owned by eBay, co-founder of Site Advisor, now owned by McAfee. 2. Entire classes of bugs are missing. Dan Kaminsky, security penetration expert for Cisco and Avaya. 3. It's Money 2.0, a huge deal. Chamath Palihapitiya, previous head of AOL Instant Messenger. 4. You can't stop things like Bitcoin. It will be everywhere and the world will have to readjust. World governments will have to readjust. John McAfee. 5. Bitcoin is here to stay. There would be a hacker uproar to anyone who attempted to take credit for the patent of cryptocurrency. And I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of hacker fury. Adam Draper. 6. If there is one positive takeaway from the collapse of Mt. Gox, it is the willingness of a new generation of Bitcoin companies to work together to ensure the future of Bitcoin and the security of customer funds. Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase. 7. Bitcoin seems to be a very promising idea. I like the idea of basing security on the assumption that the CPU power of honest participants outweighs that of the attacker. It is a very modern notion that exploits the power of the long tail. Hal Finney. 8. Bitcoin enables certain uses that are very unique. I think it offers possibilities that no other currency allows. For example, the ability to spend a coin that only occurs when 2 separate parties agree to spend the coin, with a third party that couldn't run away with the coin itself. Peter Wuille. 9. Hey, obviously this is a very interesting time to be in Bitcoin right now, but if you guys want to argue over whether this is reality or not, 1 Bitcoin will feed over 40 homeless people in Pensacola right now. If you guys want proof Bitcoin is real, send them to me, I'll cash them out and feed homeless people. Jason King. 10. Blockchain is the tech. Bitcoin is merely the first mainstream manifestation of its potential. Mark Kenigsberg. 11. Bitcoin was created to serve a highly political intent, a free and uncensored network where all can participate with equal access. Amir Taki. 12. As the value goes up, heads start to swivel and skeptics begin to soften. Starting a new currency is easy, anyone can do it. The trick is getting people to accept it, because it is their use that gives that money value. Adam B. Levine. 13. At its core, Bitcoin is a smart currency, designed by very forward-thinking engineers. It eliminates the need for banks, gets rid of credit card fees, currency exchange fees, money transfer fees, and reduces the need for lawyers in transitions, all good things. Peter Diamandis. 14. Bitcoin, and the ideas behind it, will be a disruptor to the traditional notions of currency. In the end, currency will be better for it. Edmund C. Moy. 15. There is so much potential. I am just waiting for it to be a billion-dollar industry. Wow, Silk Road actually works. Charlie Shrem. Our conclusion. From the research we have conducted, it seems that Bitcoin Up seems to be credible. There are many positive user testimonials online that solidify these claims. It is also reported that this technology has received excellent reviews by professional review sites too. The Bitcoin Up technology has been verified and has made disclosures about all the information investors need to make informed choices. Bitcoin Up is also powered by blockchain technology that ensures a transparent trading environment. Facts. Is Bitcoin Up trustworthy? From our research, Bitcoin Up seems to be a legitimate platform. Can I make money with Bitcoin Up? The chances of making a profit with Bitcoin Up is high. However, new investors should make sure they inspect the technology thoroughly before live trading. How much should I invest with Bitcoin Up? We recommend only depositing the minimum investment required, which is $250. Investors can always deposit more capital after receiving their first return. Can I make a withdrawal from the Bitcoin Up platform? Yes. Bitcoin Up allows seamless and fast withdrawals. The bot doesn't charge any transaction fees. Is Bitcoin Up free? Yes. Bitcoin Up is a free trading robot. However, it may not remain so for long. You should take advantage of the free license and sign up now. It is also important to note that before live trading begins, a deposit is required. There are no deposit fees. Has Bitcoin Up been featured on the media? From our research, Bitcoin Up has not been featured in the media. Please visit the link below for more details.